Fire Bros here, and we're gonna do a fireworks special for all, and this is dedicated to all our friends in Colorado.
I bought it.
He bought that one. I bought a bunch of other ones.
Okay.
So I'm gonna careful light his jigger. Anytime now. There it goes. Oh, we'll just do it manually. Okay, ready? This is a smoke bomb. Here you go. Oh wait, I better get a better one. There it goes. Okay, it's gonna smoke for a while. This is gonna be a long video. Yay! Here is the smoke. Oh, it's cool. Oh, whoa.
Don't.
Yeah, it's probably hot. Anyway. It's cool. Yeah.
Supposed to stay away from those. That's it?
No, keep it going. Truck incoming. Let's see. Let's blind him. Yeah.
Somebody calls the fire department, you guys are in trouble.
Okay. That guy's not turning. It's not black smoke, it's white smoke.
That's pretty exciting. Why don't you light the other one?
Okay. But let's wait till this one burns out. Wait, can I light it from here?
Don't. Stay away from it. You're not supposed to be close to those.
It's like a what do you call it? The factories. Yeah. It's cool.
Uh-huh.
Let's kick it over. Do this, Tyler. Do this. He's flying through the sky. Whoa, look at my arm, Tyler. Okay, ready?
Okay. Go light the other one over here.
Okay.
Over here.
Okay, this one is called the Killer Bees. Let's move this stuff away because it gets nasty. So, what this one does, I'll light it. I'll light it.
Go up. Put it out on the street.
Okay. No, right here. Let's do it right here. No, it's too cool. Okay. So what it'll do is these things will fly into the air, the little bees, and they'll make a buzzing sound. Well, it's a fountain. You have to get away immediately.
Oh.
Not yet. So make sure you watch the bees go up too.
Oh,
Go.
okay.
Run away. Ready? Wait, it's still on. Make it burn. Not all of them went. Yeah, they did.
Can I quit now?
Yeah, sure. We'll make another video. Bye!